Welcome. If you're looking to browse your Instagram highlights directly from your PC using the latest Instagram app update, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your highlights, just like you do on your phone, but now on your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't updated the app yet, make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest features and improvements. Once the app is open, you'll see the familiar Instagram interface, optimized for your desktop experience. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find your profile photo right there. Click on your profile photo to head straight to your profile page. This is where all your posts, reels, and of course, your highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, take a look just below your bio section. Here, you'll see your Instagram highlights. These are the circular icons that showcase your saved stories, neatly organized and easy to access. Each highlight represents a collection of stories you've chosen to keep on your profile, even after they've disappeared from your main story feed. To browse your highlights, simply click on any of the highlight circles. The stories within that highlight will start playing automatically, letting you relive your favorite moments or share them with friends who might be viewing your profile. You can use the arrow keys or on-screen navigation to move forward or backward through the stories in each highlight. And that's it. With this new update, browsing your Instagram highlights on your PC is quick, intuitive, and just as engaging as on your mobile device. Whether you're revisiting memories or showing off your best moments, accessing highlights from your computer has never been easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your social media apps. See you in the next video.